I was in court today waiting for my matter, and I was watching a guy get sentenced, and I turned around to my client after the sentencing was done and I said to him, this guy is exactly the reason why you need a lawyer in court. He was before the court with an interpreter pleading guilty for a driving while suspended charge. It was a single charge. He had never been to court before. This was his first time. Now, through an interpreter, of course, the court was asking him, the magistrate was asking him, or what are your reasons for offending? And the client's like, oh, it was just a short distance, from the petrol station down to my dad's house or whatever it was, 2 kilometers. Magistrate goes to him, okay, so are you telling me that even though you have a suspended license, you thought it'd be okay to drive a short distance? The guy turns around and goes, yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it'd be okay. All right, so the magistrate now thinks, okay, well, this guy's not taking the law very seriously. And then he goes to him, okay, well, what's your reason for driving then? What did you need to drive it for? He goes, oh, I made a mistake. It was a short distance. I thought it'd be fine. Magistrate goes, I don't accept that. That sounds ridiculous to me. You must think I'm stupid by providing me that explanation. And then he asks him directly, do you think I'm stupid? And then the guy goes, no, I don't think you're stupid. All of a sudden, the guy didn't need an interpreter. The magistrate goes to him, well, do you need an interpreter or not? Your English sounds perfectly fine. So now we have a guy who's an absolute shithole because he comes across now as a dishonest person. Not only does he not give a shit about the law, but also he's lied to the magistrate, and he's in a roundabout way even called him stupid. The magistrate feels stupid now because of the explanation that he was given him. This guy was fined $2,000 for a first-time driving while suspended charge and had his license cancelled and disqualified for 6 months. He should have walked out of there with a small fine and no orders on his license whatsoever. But if you go in there and try to explain the story for yourself without a lawyer, you don't know what you're doing. And that's exactly what happens. He even pleaded before the magistrate and said to him, please, I need to go see my kids. The magistrate goes to him, if you drive within that 6 months, you will go to prison. He told him to leave the court. Next time you're in an issue like this, even if it's a driving while suspended matter, you need to call Ennis Marsalis, at least for some advice.